Okay, got everything in my backpack and my bike is there. And look at that, this is a double-decker Port Stephen coach. Yeah, that bus, if I'm not mistaken, will go to Canberra. Yeah, it's yeah, travel for luxury, I mean for tourists. Yeah, it's big. When I was in Dubai, our service going to workplace and going back home is yeah, the Dubai bus, the double-decker one. We're going out again later when there's not so much car. Look at that, cars keep on coming. Yeah, I don't have a chance to get to the other side. Better wait than sorry. I don't know if you can hear, but there is firefighters or ambulance. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I've been hearing that like a few hours ago. I was checking online if there is something like a bushfire around the area, but there's none. Also, the sky is just clear like that. Yeah, I just checked. There is one bushfire somewhere in a snowy mountain, but that's really far from here. But I don't know what is that siren. Yeah. It is now 7:15. It is still bright like this. The sun is still up there. Yeah, I am editing my website. If you don't know, I have a website called abrodero.com. I'm actually tempted. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's broken, huh? Yeah, I am actually tempted to go outside, but yeah, outside there are so many cars. Yeah, we're going to work now. Yeah, there are many people here. Yeah, a lot of cars that are parking here. Yeah, the beach is just on the other side in there. I think I made the mistake of buying a coffee from the shop, because already 11:30 when I took it, when I get down there. So I'm not going to really enjoy drinking this coffee for a very short time. Yeah. Okay, these days there's not so much people, but still a lot of movements going on in the water. A boat, a yacht. Yeah, nice. Oh wow, this is something new. Yeah, they just put the glass wall, I mean the barrier, I mean the fence. Yeah, for their a little privacy. Yeah, still a lot of people here somehow. Good morning, guys. Yeah, we're going to make a lumpia. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, mate. I'm running out of time. I'm trying to do the spring roll, but I bought the wrong, wrong wrapper. Yeah, it's the wrong one. And yeah, that's why I put it here. I'm going again to the grocery tonight, and I'm going to buy the proper spring roll wrapper. That one is a pastry wrapper. This one, so it's like a bread, what's that? And I have here the rest of the minced beef that I defrosted 2 days ago, and I cannot put it back to the freezer. So yeah, I'm going to make a spaghetti tomato sauce with this Filipino style. So I am basically doing it similar to the way we make spaghetti bolognese. Are toasting the ground beef. It's like we're cooking it, and then we strain, we remove the oil, and then we add some tomato sauce. I forgot. Yeah, basically we are adding some merapwa like carrot, celery, onion, finely chopped or blended using the blender. But yeah, I do usually blend it to make it very fine, and then mix it together with the ground meat, the ground beef. Mix very well, and then add some tomato sauce and adjust the seasoning by adding salt, and that's it. Okay, yeah, that's it. My duty today is 12 o'clock. Yeah, I'm actually watching this. It's a traveling cloth. They are in the Philippines, and at the moment they are tasting the different fast food restaurant in the Philippines. In the Philippines, you're going to see different local Filipino fast food chains that are all over. I mean, everywhere. There are many branches in different parts of the Philippines. Yeah, I have been to many other countries, but they don't have so much local branches of their like popular restaurant in their country. Yeah, even here in Australia, there's not so much branded or branches of popular restaurant. Yeah, they have here McDonald's, KFC, only those, but the local one, they don't have much. In the Philippines, we have everywhere many different branches of different local and international branches of restaurant or any establishment. Actually, I was watching that video and I've seen that I'm hungry of yeah, I want to eat. So I realized that I have this spaghetti tomato sauce that I cooked yesterday, but I don't have the pasta. So I'm going to cook this.